How good is reincarnation of KISS, Fettec F7 FC, and the 35 amp ESC? Let's get right to it. So starting off, you're gonna have to make sure that your build is okay, that there's no loose ends. So in this case, I'm putting on my Vista with the connector to the F7 and using the 35 amp, because the way that I freestyle, to me 30 amps and 35 amps is fine. We always make sure that we update to the latest flight controller firmware and also the latest ESC firmware. And the reason why is we want to be locked in and we want to avoid any desyncs. So now let's go out. And you know that the way I freestyle, I'm not that great, but I like it a little bit flowy. I like it to be connected, and I do feel that KISS is more locked in compared to Betaflight. For every move, it seems a bit more precise. I don't see any prop wash, I don't see any throbbles, and I don't see any bounce back. Oh, it survived a crash. I think if I tweaked it a little more, I will find that I'm more one with my quad, and I do think that Fettec has really something good to offer. Of course, the durability is down to how good your build is and how hard your crash is, how good the quality of the electronics. But of course, with FPV, there's so many factors to think about. Just doing a few rapid moves, you can see my yaw moves, my flips, and my rolls are perfect. And with my rates, I'm locked in. I can predict the movements of my quad. I'm always locked into the horizon, so everything's great with KISS. If you've never heard about KISS and you're interested, go ahead and try it. I think you'll be impressed. Have fun. So thank you very much for staying right to the end. Like and subscribe.